You recording? Don't put your hand in the way of the camera again or I'll fucking murder you. Right, welcome to Seagull's snack review. Seagull snacks, that's what I'm calling it now. Let's get that up on the screen. Today, we're gonna be eating Haribo Supermix. It's my first time ever having, I've had Haribos before, but it's my first time having a packet of these. So, let's just crack it open. Which one do we pick, huh? You vote down below. Just kidding, we're going straight for the green one.
We'll now begin the push-up section. Ready? Begin.
Fuck!